Make a great choice today with the 2018 Acura TLX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.